Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to showing you how you can download and install APK files in your iPhone or iOS device. So now let's move further. How you can download and install APK files in your iOS device. For this purpose, first of all, you will have to open App Store. Then from here, you will have to download APK downloader file. After downloading it, you will have to tap on open, then close this tab. Here you need to open Safari browser. Then after that, here in search bar you will have to write for apkfiles.com. then after that, tap on the first one link. Then here you will have to select the category. Then from here you will have to select the application. Then after that, from here you will have to download the APK file. Then tap on download. Then close this tab. And after that, here you need to open APK downloader. Then from here you will have to tap on three lines on our left side upper corner. After that, tap on local files. So here all the APK files you will download appear here. You have to open that and install and use that application from here. So this is the way through which you can download and install APK files in your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.